Amid the relentless snowstorm, I sought refuge in an isolated cabin. As darkness engulfed, I noticed peculiar photographs adorning the walls. Each depicted my arrival, progression, and terror, frozen moments eerily anticipated. Desperation gripped me when I recognized a photo capturing my current horror-stricken state. Panic consumed as I realized the camera, resting ominously in a corner, was capturing my ordeal in advance. I tore through the cabin, resisting the inevitable, but with each struggle, I fell into the clutches of the predestined frames. The photographs, both prophecy and prison, whispered a chilling truth. I was trapped in a snapshot of my own demise.